In step 3, it is time to add teeth to your gears. Notice how the curves you have generated roll together without slipping. This defines a smooth transfer of motion depending on the shape of each curve. The addition of teeth, take note, should reinforce and do no harm to this transfer of motion as dictated by these curves. To achieve this, Gearify calculates special involute tooth profiles that are generalized for non-circular forms. You can generate these teeth with the click of a button. Simply click Gearify to calculate. These teeth are designed so that the motion induced by their engagement exactly matches the rolling of the curves, whatever their shape may be. Each tooth may be different since their shape is determined by the underlying curve, and other variables described in a later video. If your curves are circles, the calculation produces the standard involute, which should help convince you that it is a good generalization. You can also check the Contacts checkbox to observe the points of contact on the tooth flanks as the gears roll. You might observe some teeth poke through, but don't worry, step 4 will take care of that. Feel free to adjust the number of teeth, and click Gearify again to recalculate. Rather than specifying the total number, enter the count for each symmetry lobe. A 4-lobe gear with 3 teeth per lobe will have 12 teeth total, for example. Gears with bilateral symmetry must have an even tooth count per lobe, as Gearify will enforce the symmetry on the tooth profiles as well. Lastly, you can toggle each gear from external to internal, which will invert the peaks and valleys to create the proper clearance.